This is the hydraulic motor torque and speed calculator, which determines motor performance parameters based on your hydraulic system specifications. Let's walk through the 4 input fields. First, enter motor displacement D in cubic centimeters per revolution. Next, input system pressure P in bar. Then add flow rate Q in liters per minute. Finally, set efficiency E, which defaults to 0.85, but can be adjusted based on your motor specifications. For this example, let's say we have a motor displacement of 100 cubic centimeters per revolution, system pressure of 200 bar, flow rate of 50 liters per minute, and we'll keep the default efficiency at 0.85. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays 3 key outputs. The torque result shows the motor's output torque in Newton meters, calculated from displacement and pressure. The speed result indicates rotational speed in RPM, derived from flow rate and displacement. The power result displays mechanical power output in kilowatts, combining torque and speed with efficiency factored in. These values help engineers properly size motors and verify system performance matches application requirements. Find the link in the description below.